Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Manju Sharma. In this video, we will study about the introduction of pollination and self-pollination in detail. Now, first of all, what is pollination? The term pollination may be defined as the process of transference of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the flower. The pollination may be of two types. First is self-pollination and second is cross-pollination. Now, what is self-pollination? In this type of the pollination, the pollen grains are transferred to the stigma of same flower or different flower of the same plant. The self-pollination is of two types. First is autogamy and second is geitonogamy. Now, what is autogamy? It is a kind of pollination in which the pollen from anthers of a flower are transferred to the stigma of the same flower. Now, what is geitonogamy? It is a kind of pollination in which the pollen from the anthers of a flower are transferred to the stigma of the different flower of the same plant. Now, what are the adaptations are favors self-pollination? These are bisexuality, homogamy, and cleistogamy. Now, what is bisexuality? Flowers should be bisexual or hermaphrodite. The bisexual mean the both gamete or both gametophyte should be present in a one flower, like in hibiscus or in rose flower. What is homogamy? In homogamy, the bisexual flower should be such in which the anther and stigma mature simultaneously to make self-pollination possible. Now, the third one is cleistogamy. So, what is cleistogamy? The cleistogamous flowers are those which never open. These flowers are bisexual, small, colorless, inconspicuous, and do not secrete honey or nectar. The examples are oxalis and viola. In this flower, only self-pollination is possible. Now, what are the advantages of self-pollination? By self-pollination, the purity of rare is maintained and there is no wastage of pollen grains and there are less chances of failure of pollination. Now, what are the disadvantages of self-pollination? The production of new variety or new species is inhibited and due to continuous self-pollination, the weak progeny are produced. In the next video, we will study about cross-pollination. Until then, bye bye and thanks for watching my video.